You may have seen many articles like this, 20 tips from marketing and content industry experts. Guess what?
This video is brought to you by Oppie Pies Academy.
This is a blogger that took ideas from 20 people, literally interviewed them or asked them to just contribute maybe only a paragraph or two, you see, very short, but gave them credibility, and gave them backlinks. You can see they link to their website, they link to their Twitter account, and they added their quotes, and they did this with 20 people. And this is a fantastic way to use the reverse publicity method to get all the people who were interviewed to promote this article. Because guess what? When this article went live, almost everyone in this post, whoever was interviewed promoted it on their social media, wherever they promote, on Twitter, on Facebook, wherever. And this article got a big boost. So I'll walk you through the thinking points and the strategy for such an article and how to use the reverse publicity method that's used in this article for your business. Instead of asking for publicity, the premise here is first you give publicity. You offer something of value, you give. In this case, the offer of value is just to get people to extra promotion on your blog, the backlinks, the promotion of the Twitter accounts that you saw. Very easy for you to do, and you just invite 5, 10, or 20 industry experts that you want to network with, so it's strategically invited, and they contribute very little, a quote or a paragraph, so that it's not a lot of work for them. It only takes like a minute or two for them to do the work. Then you compile this into an amazing long article, make it really nice, make it insightful, and long articles have a tendency to rank a little better in Google, so you try to rank it for some keywords if you're extra savvy in that kind of in SEO. And then when your article gets launched, you've got a little army of those 20 people, but they're not just people, they're 20 influencers. They have big audiences. So you've got these 20 big Twitter accounts and 20 big LinkedIn profiles and 20 big Facebook groups or pages that they run. They can promote your article that feature them there. So that's easy way to use your blog to very simply get content for your blog, which is amazing, but also to start building your networking in the industry and get on the radar of all of these well-networked known influencers and to start that business relationship with them. And of course, to get yourself a lot of extra traffic and promotion from their followers.